Good morning, everybody. It is 8:15. I want to welcome you guys to another episode by Prime Daily. Today is going to be something very, very exciting. We're finally going to be installing the coilovers on the BRZ, and yeah, something that we're going to do. The reason it took a little while to do it because I'm not gonna front, I didn't have the tools and I had to get everything, so everything's right here in my trunk. See, we got total of 4 jack stands, a very good jack, it's a low profile, and we got my toolbox, got a torque wrench there, and it's super long, look at that, and all these other wrenches, sockets and whatnot. So let's make sure that if you're gonna do this at home, make sure you have the right tools for it. Do it right. If you don't know what you're doing, get somebody that does, so that way you don't mess up, because again, suspension is very important. That's what holds the wheels to the car, and the wheels run the car. So something happens where that falls off, you're on the highway 90 miles an hour, you know what I mean? So you gotta be careful. Without further ado, let's get to it.
So this is a 17, this is a 17, this is a 19, and this is a 19. And then you have to remove these 2 clips right here. Hold it on one side.
Dude, this is torqued at 114 pounds. You know how hard it's going to be to take this off?
So.
2 hours later.
Oh my gosh, here she goes again. First one is out. He doesn't want to celebrate, but I do.
Alright guys, so after hours, look at my hands. We have only done 1/2 of the car. Look at this. It took us hours, and it's almost embarrassing, but at the same time, we've never really done something like this, so we only done with 1/2. It's in the air right now. You can already tell. Look at that. The wheel gap, it's substantially less. And I get it, there's still a wheel gap there, but remember, it's in the air. We're about to put it down. Look at how low that is.
Look at the gap on this side. I can put like literally my whole hand in there. This side, I like literally my hand does not fit. It's right there. It's like a finger. Look at that.
I'm a little worried.
All the way over there, so high.
Let's torque these nuts and do the other side.
Alright, so we already ran into an issue on the second. We broke this strut. You see how those are long and this one's short? We broke it, and you can see here it broke inside this. He's gonna have to run on 4 struts until we can get this fixed, because it's not gonna happen today.
That is the end link.
Not super low. No.
A few moments later.
Alright then, guys, appreciate you for tuning in. Let you know how I feel about the coilovers after about a week of riding them, but stay tuned for the next video.
Like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
The way we know to go. Squad up, never roll alone. And we gon' ride on forever. We